so I lied. I'm back. I'm just through Kearney, and I was, it's clouded up a lot. I wasn't expecting it to be, I thought we weren't going to get much rain until the afternoon, but it looks like we may get some. So, I don't know how much filming I'm going to get the rest of the way. I think I'm going to stop probably in another half an hour and at least put my rain pants on, because I can pull under an underpass and put the jacket on quick, and that's not hard, but the pants take a minute. Anyway, it's a little bit cool anywho, so putting the pants on isn't a bad idea. Alright, so hopefully with any luck, you know, it won't be too nasty with rain and stuff, but we'll see. That's why you bring rain gear, and that's why you don't wash your bike. You don't wash your bike, it don't rain, right? But we'll see. We'll see. Okay, yeah, I'll pick this up later on when I get a chance. All right, later, guys. All right, guys, 3-hour update. 195 miles in. It's been kind of clouding and sunning up. So far, knock on wood, as in knock on my head, because my head's made of wood. Yeah, no rain yet. I'm trying to click off as many miles as hard as I can right now. And yeah, we're just through Gothenburg. We'll be in North Platte in about, what, 20 minutes, I think? 250 to Cheyenne, 300 to Denver. But we're going to Cheyenne because Grand Junction was just too damn expensive, which is where I'd have to stay, because I'm not spending $300 a night for a room. I'm going to only spend, you know, I wasn't wanting to spend more than $100, and that was a Motel 6. So we'll stay up north. We'll go hit Reno first, and yeah, we'll go this way. Making good time. Few cows, but so far so good. We're just clicking them off, putting them down. Got the cruise set at about 84, and yeah. All right, I'll see you guys after I get gas in North Platte, and hopefully the rain stays away. I do know I'm going to at least put my rain pants on in North Platte, just in case, because that takes the longest. I might put the liner in the jacket. I haven't decided yet, because it's been a little bit chilly, although it's starting to warm up a little bit. Yeah. All right. We'll see you guys after North Platte. Alrighty, coming into North Platte. Here comes the North Platte Way Station. Nebraska, I think, was one of the first states to put true weigh in motion way stations in. I mean, when I say weigh in motion, I mean at 75 mile an hour they can be weighed. So we're going to stop here for gas in a minute, clicking them off and putting them down. It's yeah, trying to make as good of a time as I can now, hopefully before the afternoon storms start. And yeah, trying to limit the amount of time that we have to ride through the rain. You see the electronic signs weight up. That's how they tell the trucks whether or not they have to go off or not. That and the pre-pass transponders. But I've heard both. I've heard if either say bypass, you bypass. If either say go in, you go in. That the pre-pass trumps the signs, and I don't know. I don't know. But it's kind of clouded up, then it's kind of gotten less, and so I don't know if with it getting a little warmer, if they've kind of fallen apart a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, I'm hoping to be into Cheyenne in about 3 hours, right? 170, no, about 3.5 hours. We'll have, yeah, probably stop either in Cheyenne or, Actually, yeah, maybe 4 hours. But we're making really, really good time because I haven't stopped. I mean, it's not even 10 o'clock yet. We're already in North Platte. We've covered 220 miles in about 3 hours. So we're clicking them off right now. I'm clicking them off. The Loves has got a McDonald's. I don't really want McDonald's. There is a Casey's here, but I'm not that hungry. Well, okay. This is the hook. I couldn't remember if the hook was 77 or 79. The hook's over there. I think the Casey's over there. I think. Or is that a hotel? That might be a hotel. What do we got? Oh, there's a pump and pantry. That works. That works. And it's on the correct side of the interstate too, which is even better. Alright, he's getting back on the highway. Alright, he's turning in here. I'm seeing gravel, and I don't like it. Alright, let's see if they have premium. Hopefully they do. Yeah, looks like it. We got 2 grades gas at least. No, it's all 87. That ain't gonna work. Alright. It's all 87, so that's not gonna work. Alright, let's go to the other side of the expressway. Sidney. Why Sidney? Why? Sydney's the worst thing you can sign. There's no reason for it. Cheyenne, Denver, or if you want to sign Big Springs or Ogallala, that'd be okay. Not great, but it'd be better than Sidney. Where's the Casey's at? Well, the Loves, they're both the same price, and the Loves is on the right side of the expressway, so we'll stop here. All right, fuel time, fresh battery. I'm going to put the pants on at least, and probably put the liner in the jacket too. You got a gas truck? Yeah, I don't know why you would pull a big ass fifth wheel. Alright, that's actually good. Okay, that's actually going to be high enough where I can check the oil. Alright, fuel, and we'll be back. Alright. North Platte, gas obtained. I did end up buying a medium-sized can of WD-40 and sprayed the cap, so it seems to be better. So we'll see. I've got it with me, and I'll probably spray it again tonight. But glasses on my face. I did not put the pants on. I did not put the liner in the jacket. Yeah, that's might end up biting me in the ass. We'll see. We're going to try to click off all the way now to Sidney, which is where we'll stop to have lunch. Should take me about 2 hours to get there, and it'll be a fuel stop too. And actually, it'll take me 123. So yeah, 1 hour and a half if I don't stop. So we'll be there. So 123 miles means it'll take me, if we don't stop, if I'm averaging 80, I'm trying to do math, hour and a half. It'll be noon our time, 11 their time. So yeah, that's perfect. I'm pretty sure that they're in. I'm pretty sure we actually changed time zones before we get to the junction with 76. Alright, westbound and down. Let's go. Let's click off about another 120. But I'm sure I'll break in before then because, yeah, I got ADD and all sorts of other stuff. And I got battery. I got a fresh battery. Yay, fresh battery. Woohoo! Wait, there's Flying J's at both exits? Apparently, okay. That's different. You normally don't see Flying J's at both exits. That was the Hardy sign on top. It just was weird. Okay. Alright, yeah, I didn't realize that Nebraska still, I thought they had renamed the old Nebraska Department of Roads into an actual Department of Transportation. Hey, I got a truck like that too. Mine's a couple years older or newer than that though. But it's, yeah, it's still actually just a separate Department of Roads. Alright, westbound, we'll pick this up probably around Ogallala, which will be in about 45 minutes. Alright, so I just stopped, had lunch, got gas again. I lost some footage. Why does this thing only say this battery's only, I don't know. I think it's the battery it's saying. It's saying I don't have much battery left for some reason. I don't know why. I think it should be fully charged. So I just stopped here in Sidney, and I've been kind of went through a little bit of a shower. So I took it off, and then the last stop, when I stopped in North Platte, for some reason, right when I took off, my camera decided it was going to say, no, I don't like you, I'm not doing it, no, you can't make me do it. So yeah, it froze after about like 4 minutes. But we're just about halfway done with the day. We're like 350 miles in. We've been riding for 6 hours, making decent time. We've entered the Mountain Time Zone, so that's a plus. It looks like I'm going to be kind of in and around. It's the old headquarters of Cabela's or Sabala's or however you call it. I don't know. I had a leftover breakfast burrito. It was their gravy or sausage gravy. It was all right. I mean, I kind of wish I would have gotten something else, but yeah, it was fine. up when I get into Wyoming, though, because, yeah, we're going to try to make time. I'm just hoping we don't hit any more rain. I've got my pants on just in case. I did put the liner in the jacket, too, because it's getting a little chilly, and Cheyenne is 7,000 feet in the air, I think. That sounds right. I know, I think you get to about 8,900 just before you get into Laramie. But I got my fuel cap fixed. I got this fixed, so that's good. Oops. I fixed it too well. I'm just kind of letting it. I'm just trying to let it, let all the remnants of WD-40 kind of dry out. All right, we'll see you guys in Wyoming. All right, see you there. Yeah, hey, it's me again. Yeah, one thing I forgot to say is I just forgot how absolutely hilly western Nebraska is. I mean, it is. I mean, yeah, I know they call the area the Sand Hills, but it legit is, you know, buttes and bluffs and all sorts of stuff. You know, we're in the very, very high plains. And it's, you know, it's not spectacular, but it's not bad either. Alright, now we'll see you guys in Wyoming. Well, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's not looking pretty. We're heading right into it. Yeah, that's no bueno. Yeah, ain't nothing we can do except try to push on and make as good a time as we can. And yeah, I'm probably going to pull off here in a little bit and put my jacket on, put my rain gloves on, put the camera away, and we'll pick this up whenever. All right, see you then.